5-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location here is surrounded by attractions and landmarks. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Please review rating us 8.9, which is the fabulous. On the screen, you will find all the restaurant details we provide, information about the cuisine, local and dietary options. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 3 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is superb and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The resort accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID and check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various benefits and policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check description below. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel.